Hey everyone, ever heard the term malware and wondered what it actually means? Well, imagine your computer, phone, or tablet getting sick. Just like you can catch a cold or a flu, your digital devices can catch a software bug that makes them unwell, or even worse. Malware is just a short way of saying malicious software. It's any kind of program or code designed specifically to harm your device, steal your information, or mess with your online experience. There are different types, like viruses that spread from file to file, worms that creep across networks, ransomware that locks your files, or spyware that secretly watches what you do. So, how does it get onto your device? Often through sneaky email attachments, clicking on dodgy links, downloading things from untrusted websites, or even through infected USB drives. Once it's in, malware can do all sorts of nasty things. Slow down your device, show annoying pop-ups, steal your passwords and personal info, or even completely lock you out of your own files. But don't worry, there are ways to protect yourself. Always use good antivirus software, keep your operating system and apps updated, and be super careful about what you click on or download. Think of it like digital hygiene. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep those digital germs away. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing facts.